I'm Anna. Welcome to Soul, Soul, Soul. I'm creating this online community to be a place for you to come to find peace within. It has become my personal mission to make yoga as accessible to as many people as I can, while cultivating and maintaining a safe space for myself and for others to learn and grow. Yoga is a mental, physical, and spiritual recalibration tool that I believe will change the lives of so many people, especially the overlooked and the underserved. There are often misconceptions about the practice of yoga, and it can seem intimidating for someone who's just looking to begin. All it takes to begin a yoga practice is a willingness to learn and your attention. I'm here to offer simple yet effective ways for you to embark on the transformative journey that yoga can be. My main focus is to offer empowerment to people who look like me. As we as individuals begin to prioritize the health of our minds and of our bodies, we begin to cultivate this space within that allows the Holy Spirit to flow freely. Collectively, this positive shift will grant us understanding and will be the foundation of true unity. I aim to empower you and your children for this generation and for generations to come. Yoga is a gift that God has given me to share. So thank you for tuning in. Continue to be the love and light that God has called you to be.